Navika, can you fade him out? Like his career. These people can be exposed not even 30 seconds, in 10 seconds.
Dr. Anand Ranganathan, Professor Monojit Mandal has challenged me that Mamata Banerjee has never called the BJP communal or never objected to the expression of religion in any political rally that has happened. She has never objected to it. Well, 6 days ago, there is a video, and if you want, I can play it out. The party has approached the Election Commission saying that BJP is fighting these elections on communal lines. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, ki bolbo?
Okay, that's what I said. BJP is fighting the election communal line. We are not fighting
Good evening. Good evening, Navika.
अच्छा, उनका हिंदुत्व communal, हमारा हिंदुत्व non-communal. Respond.
I clearly explained what Hindutva means. It means development, inclusivity, justice, equity, fairness for all. I quoted Ramakrishna.
So you have borrowed not just the temple run but also the definition of Hindutva from the BJP. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, okay, I'm not going to say anything. Why don't you respond to Professor Mondal? Professor Mondal, respond to him.
Yes, Navika, let me test Professor Mandal here, if he doesn't mind. He has been singing paeans of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa, telling the world what is Hindutva, what is secularism, what is Hinduism, what is Islam. He's been talking about Tagore. Let me quote something, verbatim, what Tagore said. When he talked about all religions, this is what Tagore said. And then I'll ask him the question, if he's not scared to answer it. I quote from Gurudev, quote, "There are two religions in earth which have distinct enmity against all other religions. These two are Christianity and Islam. They are not just satisfied with observing their own religions but are determined to destroy all other religions." Unquote. Original works of Rabindranath Tagore, volume 24, page 375, Vishwa Bharatri, 1982. Now, Professor Mandal, here is the question. Do you think Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore was a bigot? Was he a bigot?
Look how
was he a bigot? Do you have the guts to answer this? Don't be scared.
Yes, I'll answer.
You are a professor.
If I'm allowed to.
You are there to learn and to teach things. Tell me if he was a bigot. Tell me if he was wrong. Tell me if he was a bigot. Tell me, have the guts.
I'll answer.
Professor Mondal.
Mr. It appears that you are directly descending from Plato's Academy. Please stop your ranting first, then I'll answer. From which essay you are talking about? Now you stop. Now you stop. You stop now.
Bolo. Tell me if Tagore was a bigot.
Which public lecture you are quoting? Please name the public lecture. And now let me talk about the public lecture that he delivered by the form of.
I just named to you the public lecture.
You just
what are you talking about?
Which public lecture? Name the lecture.
I quoted him verbatim.
They got delivered 300 public lectures. Listen, Mr. Tiresias. Listen, Mr. Tiresias.
This is from original. Navika, can you fade him out? Like his career. These people can be exposed not even 30 seconds, in 10 seconds. Original works of Rabindranath Tagore. Volume 24, page 375. Vishwa Bharati. And the emblem of Vishwa Bharati is a swastika.
Mr. Tiresias, name the public lecture. Look.
I want to ask you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, is this not the shifting of the agenda? Is this not playing to the entire narrative that has been set by the BJP? Has Mamata Banerjee displayed some amount of nervousness and walking into the trap set by the BJP?
Some amount. No, but first of all, Navika, I am sorry, but I have a bone to pick with you. You are so partial to the Bengalis in the panel. You know, you give even my time to them without realizing that I am not a Bengali.
Sorry.
So please don't do that.
Sorry.
Oh my God, he's such a terrible Bengali hater.
Thank you.
Look at the symptomatic Bengali hater in this person.
Who is this Mondal again?
Google master.
We are lovers of all languages, all states, sir. hater. He's not a Bengali hater, and in any case, he's not from the BJP. Who are you picking a bone with?
One who is denigrating the culture of Bengal is a Bengali hater.
Navika, look again.
Well, 1 minute, Dr. Anand. Let's not digress. Dr. Anand Ranganathan is making a point. Yes,
he's just completely, yeah. Yes, and as far as this guy who's constantly heckling me, please let me know which university he's graduated from. Which donation university. I'll try to donate 5 rupees to it. Maybe they'll start teaching something better. No, but to come back to this, Navika, there are 2 points here. Number 1, चोटी वाले राक्षस कह सकते हैं, लेकिन किसी में हिम्मत नहीं है कि टोपी वाले राक्षस कहें. You need to ask this. हमारे देश में लोग किसी को चोटी वाला राक्षस कह सकते हैं, लेकिन टोपी वाला राक्षस कहने की औकात और हिम्मत नहीं है. क्यों है ऐसा? I'll tell you क्यों. क्योंकि इस देश में अगर आप हिंदूज को गाली देंगे, हिंदूज के गॉड्स को गाली देंगे, तो आप सेकुलर हैं. लेकिन द मोमेंट यू रिड्रेस द बैलेंस, the moment you tell the truth about other religions, the moment you tell about the Hinduphobia from other religions, then you are branded communal, then you are branded a bigot, then you are saying you are polarizing. This is the tragedy of this country. I think it is great that people are polarizing, because at least now you are getting to hear the other side of the truth. Like this so-called professor who was flustered when I quoted him verbatim what Tagore said. अगर इनको पता नहीं होता ये टैगोर ने कहा, तो ये कहते हैं तो कम्युनल बिगट कह रहा है, ये मोदी कह रहा है कि there are 2 religions, and again he is insisting. This guy, I don't know, I pity about his students, I gave. Now, Mondal, listen, Mondal, for the first and final time.
Defiling paper in a most cruel manner.
This quote is from the book that was published in 1982 in Vishwa Bharati.
Brutal manner.
Original works of Rabindranath Tagore, volume 24, page 375.
You don't know the meaning of misappropriation.
If you can read and understand,
brutal manner,
go and check up this book. Navika, you need to come in here.
Mr. Rabindranath Tagore, you have
I don't know who made him a professor.
You must
He's not even fit to be a kindergarten student.
1 minute.
ना हिंदू बनेगा, न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है, इंसान बनेगा. अल्लामा इकबाल ने क्या खूब कहा है. हमें यह समझना चाहिए कि क्या हो रहा है आजकल. ये मजहब नहीं सिखाता, न हिंदू सिखाता है, न मुसलमान सिखाता है, ये सियासत सिखाता है, मजहब नहीं सिखाता. आपस में
तो Anand Ranganathan, BJP, if it talks about religion, is communal and it is polarizing, but the same charge doesn't apply to any opponent in any state.
नाविका, I love Abbas, लेकिन मैं यही कहूंगा, अंजामे गुलिस्ता क्या होगा, हर शाख पे उल्लू बैठा है. मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर करना, मजहब और सिखाता क्या है? And you are quoting Iqbal. Let me quote Iqbal. This is what Iqbal said. Now don't interrupt. This is what Iqbal said. The mission for which Islam came into this world will ultimately be fulfilled. The world will be purged of infidelity and the worship of false gods, and the true soul of Islam will be triumphant. अब बोलो कि इकबाल गलत था.
Well, ladies.
तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी है तो वीडियो जरूर थोड़ी बहुत आपको अच्छी लगी होगी, इसलिए वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए, और ऐसे ही वीडियो अगर आप और देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. धन्यवाद.